Hey, this will be a video chart on PCFG. Been getting quite a few people asking about this one, and just want to go over it, kind of hopefully answer the majority of the questions, mainly revolving around what now that this downwards move happened today on the biggest volume it's seen in over 2 months. So pretty much just going to be talking about supports, because right now, as far as resistances go, those should be the least of people's concerns. After today's action, the key question needs to be, where are the support levels and things like that. So why was today a pretty eventful day from a charting perspective? Well, first, as I already pointed out, big volume there, but more importantly was the price action, and the price action broke through what was a very important level of support. If we look back here in mid-December, we had 4 days in a row, the price bounced right off of this level here at 0.022. So that was just a very evident level of support. And today, you can see that the price got below it, and then things really started to, the sellers came in, and big volume, and this support now has turned into a resistance. And I know I said resistances are last thing to worry about, but that'll be the only resistance I talk about. The new resistance was the key support, which is now here at 0.022. Now, in terms of supports, you can see if I pull this out that the next level really is not until down here at the 200-day simple moving average. You could possibly say that this level right down here, well, not possibly, this level right here definitely is a level of support. The reason is, you can see here when it came up, acted as resistance, and then when it was broken, came back, acted as support a couple more times here. But then when you draw this over, you can see that essentially the 200-day and this level are the same, or at the same area. So I will change this to green because it is a support level. But the key support, and the way I would watch it, is just simply this orange line here, which is the 200-day simple moving average. Right now, that's valued at 0.0135. So will it come all the way down here? There's nothing that says it, absolutely has to. But there's really no other levels of support. This is the path of least resistance down to here. For the risk versus reward players that like setups like that, this could be very attractive. But the key thing is, if it keeps pulling back, watch volume. What we don't want to see is volume get bigger and bigger and bigger if the price keeps pulling back. Now, if it does keep pulling back, but volume's decreasing, then sure, nobody wants to see the price go down. But at least that's showing that that the selling volume isn't as much. And when you see the volume decrease, things can go back up quite a bit quicker if you see the stock pulling back on lesser volume. So that'll be the other key aspect of the chart, is just continue to monitor the volume and make sure it doesn't get anything. Easiest way to look at it is this: if it's going to keep going down, we don't want to see volume get bigger than 25 million, because that would put it over today's action. But anything below there, that's great. Now, of course, if all of a sudden it wants to shoot back up, that's where we'd like to see volume as big as possible. But just keep your eye on volume. We don't want to see it increase or anything like that. So that is where the chart currently stands. Once more, keep a close eye on this 200-day simple moving average. If that one doesn't hold a support, then things could get pretty bad, as the next levels of support aren't till well under a penny. So, but one step at a time. Who knows? Maybe this level won't even get tested. But if it does, that is a level you want to see hold strong. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together on the alerts, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was PCFG. Thanks for listening.